PDFs are a go-to format for reading, sharing, and storing documents. But did you know they can also be incredibly interactive? One of the most powerful features of PDFs is annotations, tools that let you highlight, comment, and mark up your documents. In this video, we'll explain PDF annotations, how to use them effectively, and why they can make your work, studying, or projects much easier. Let's start with the basics. Annotations are notes or marks you add to a PDF to highlight important information, provide feedback, or organize content. They don't alter the original text of the PDF, but instead layer extra information on top. Common types of annotations include highlighting text, underlining or striking through words, adding sticky notes, drawing shapes, and even inserting stamps or comments. One of the most popular annotation tools is highlighting. Just like a physical highlighter, this lets you emphasize key points, formulas, or instructions in your PDF. You can usually choose different colors to categorize ideas or prioritize tasks. Underlining and strike-throughs work similarly, helping you mark important details or indicate completed or irrelevant information. Another useful annotation feature is adding comments or sticky notes. This is especially helpful when reviewing documents collaboratively. For example, teachers can leave feedback on student papers, managers can comment on reports, or teammates can suggest edits on project plans. Comments can include text, links, or reminders, making communication within the PDF seamless. PDF editors also allow drawing in shapes such as arrows, circles, and rectangles. These are perfect for pointing out sections, diagramming ideas, or emphasizing specific elements in charts or diagrams. Some tools even let you combine annotations with freehand drawing for a more personalized or visual touch. For professional use, stamps and signatures count as annotations too. You can stamp approved, draft, or confidential on your PDF, and even insert a digital signature to make a document official. This saves time compared to printing, signing, scanning, and resending files. Everything stays digital and organized. Annotations aren't just for reviewing or marking up PDFs. They're also excellent for personal study and productivity. Students can highlight lecture notes, researchers can comment on academic papers, and professionals can keep track of important sections in long reports. The best part is that these annotations are usually searchable, so you can quickly find what you marked later. Finally, always remember to save your annotated PDF as a new version or backup. This ensures you don't lose your highlights, comments, or drawings, and you can easily share the annotated file with colleagues, classmates, or clients. In summary, PDF annotations are a powerful way to interact with your documents. By highlighting, commenting, drawing, and using stamps or signatures, you can make PDFs more useful, organized, and collaborative, whether for work, study, or personal projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more tips and tutorials for getting the most out of your digital document.